Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. Yes students, today we are going to do evaluation of logarithmic limits. Before evaluating logarithmic limit, you should be aware of this expansion, which is log 1 plus x will be equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x raised to the power 4 upon 4 plus x raised to the power 5 upon 5 plus and so on. So we should be aware of this expansion. Now see here students, what we are required to evaluate. We are required to evaluate limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x upon x. Now see how we will evaluate it. Please have a look over here. Now see students, can I write limit x tends to 0 at the place of log 1 plus x? I can write this whole expansion because this expansion has come from here only, na? So I can write x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x की power 4 upon 4 plus and so on. And whole के divide में what was there already? There was x. Now see how we will get it. Now can I write student, ये जो x है, जो डिनोमिनेटर में ये आपका x है, ये सभी के डिवाइड में है. It means this is in divide of this also. इसके भी डिवाइड में, इसके भी डिवाइड में. It means it is in the division of all. It is in the denominator of all the terms. So we can write it. Now see here what we will get. From here we will get 1, and from here 1x and 1x will get cancelled out. It is also get cancelled out. So now what we are going to get from here? We have got limit x tends to 0 1 minus x by 2 plus x square by 3 minus x की power. Here we are going to, it was x. So here we are going to get what? We are going to get x cube upon 4 and so on. Now see students, अब आपको क्या मिलेगा यहाँ से? If you will put directly the value over here, अगर आप यहाँ पर वैल्यू पुट करोगे तो इट विल बिकम 0, दिस विल ऑल्सो बिकम 0 एंड दिस विल ऑल्सो बिकम 0. It means when I will use the direct substitution method over here, so all these terms are going to become 0. Only what will left? Only this 1 will left. So limit x tends to 0, 1. What will be its answer? Its answer will be equal to 1. It means limit x tends to 0, log 1 plus x upon x is always equal to 1. So what we have done, we have evaluated the logarithmic limit from here. Yes students, see question number 1 based on the logarithmic limit. Question number 1 is limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 upon log x. How we will solve it? See first of all the standard limit of logarithmic, which is limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x upon x, which is equal to 1. So note here students, one important thing, here x is approaching towards 0. But in our question x is approaching towards 1. So what I am going to do, I'll take x is equals to 1 plus h. Now see what my question will become now. Limit h tends to 0. At the place of x, I will put its value 1 plus h minus 1, which was already there, log. At the place of x, I will put its value, which is 1 plus h. Minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled out. Now what is left? There it is limit h tends to 0, h upon log 1 plus h. Now see students, can I write it? Limit h tends to 0, 1 upon log 1 plus h whole के upon में ये h. Yes, I can write it because when you will solve it, this h is going to be there in numerator only, na? So we can write it. But now what will happen? अब हमारा काम हो जाएगा यहाँ से. Now can we write it? Limit h tends to 0, 1 divided by limit h tends to 0 log 1 plus h upon h. Yes, we can write it. Now see students, when you will solve it, what you will get? 1 divided by, when you will use your standard limit of logarithmic, what you will get? 1. So 1 divided by 1, what you are going to get from here? It will be 1. Students, see here question number 2. Limit x tends to 5 log x minus log 5 upon x minus 5. Here, this x is approaching towards 5. What I am going to take over here, let x is equals to 5 plus h. Now, limit h tends to 0, log, at the place of x, we'll put its value, which is 5 plus h minus log 5 divided by x is equals to 5 plus h. So, we'll put its value, 5 plus h minus 5. Now, minus 5 and plus 5 will get cancelled out. Now, see here, students. Limit h tends to 0. Here, what it is becoming? It is log a minus log b. And I have told you now, property of logarithmic. What is that? According to that, log a minus log b is equals to log a upon b. So, what we will get from here? We will get log 5 plus h upon 5. And whole ke upon mein h. So, we have got this from here. Now, when we will solve it, students, what we will get? Limit h tends to 0, log 1 plus h by 5 and whole k upon mein h. Now, see here, we have got it. Now, when we are comparing it with our actual and the standard limit of logarithmic, what we are going to see over there, देखो, it is 1 plus x. And जो भी यहाँ पर x है, वही आपका denominator में भी है. But here it is h by 5. But in denominator h is there. But if we have to apply the standard limit, तो यहाँ पर denominator में क्या होना चाहिए था? It should be h by 5. So what we will do? We will multiply and divide it by 5. हमने multiply कर दिया और 5 से divide भी कर दिया. अब देखो, now what this whole will become? This will become 1. And what will be only left? It will be limit h tends to 0, 1 by 5. Only this will be left and its answer will be then 1 by 5. So I hope this question will be clear to all.